Hello everyone and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can protect an Excel file or an Excel document with a password. So let's say this is the concerned file. I want to save it or to protect it with a password. I will just go to File, we'll need to click on Info, and in the Protect Workbook section you will need to click on the icon and select Encrypt with Password. Before you type your password, please remember that if you lose the password which you have set up, just delete the Excel file because you will not be able to uncrack the password whatever you try. So we'll type my password. Excel will ask you again to re-enter the password to make sure that you remember it, and just click OK, and now the password has been entered. You go back to your file has been protected, click Save, and you can just close your Excel file. Next time when you try to open it, it will request a password. So here, again, I will just enter my password and the file is open. As I said, if you forget your password and you try to open it, it will tell you that the password is incorrect, but it will not give you any option to reset it, even if you are the writer of the Excel document or the file. So I will just enter incorrect password. So it says the password you supplied is in not correct. Verify that the caps lock keys and off, and be sure to use the correct capitalization. So it's saying that just I have to check that if the cap lock is on, I should turn it off maybe, but it doesn't give you any other option to reset the password. So as I said again, if you forgot about the password, better just to delete the file and redo the work from zero. I hope this video tutorial was helpful to you guys. If you are still in need of help or assistance, you can always leave us a comment or send us an email and we'll do our best to help you. If you would like to encourage us, you can always press like, share, and do not forget to subscribe to get our latest videos. Thank you for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.